Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry chicken wing with dried chilies. Hope you like it. This recipe is only slightly spicy, and the chicken wings are very fragrant and appetizing and go well with rice. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: chicken wings, dried chilies, onion, ginger. Chicken wings cut into section. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well and fridge to marinate for 30 minutes. Drizzle cooking all to marinate together. Sliced ginger. Peel and cubes onion. Seasoning sauce: 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 3 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Add a tablespoon water, stir evenly, and set side. Line aluminum foil on baking plate and drizzle cooking all on marinated chicken wings and mix evenly. Arrange chicken wings nicely on baking plate. Pan to oven and let's roast chicken wings. Roast chicken wings to 100 degrees 20 minutes. Flip chicken wings after roasted for 20 minutes. Roast chicken wings to 100 degrees 15 minutes. Roasted chicken wings is done. Remove chicken wings from oven and set aside. The chicken wings are ready to eat. You can also roast more chicken wings. Use half portion to stir fry them with dried chilies, so you have 2 dishes. Stir fry ginger, garlic, onion, and dried chilies to release fragrance. Add chicken wings and stir fry. Add seasoning sauce. Stir fry to mix sauce evenly. Plate chicken wings. Chicken wings looks so appetizing. This recipe is really delicious. The chicken wings are baked crispy and coated with sauce and are really delicious with rice. This dish is simple and easy to make. Make this dish in New Year's and share it with your family. There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Eating chicken during the new year is a homonym for chicken G, which means good luck. Serving a whole chicken on the table symbolizes good fortune and luck for the whole family. Eating chicken wings symbolizes rapid advancement and soaring into the sky. Drinking chicken soup as the first meal of the Spring Festival symbolizes peace and tranquility. Among them, the main labor force also eats chicken feet, which means grabbing wealth in the new year, and promising young people eat chicken wings, which means flying high, and the head of the family eats chicken bones, which means getting ahead. People have continued this custom and traditional culture by eating chicken during the Spring Festival. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.